What's up, you guys? My name is Eric and welcome back to my channel. Today this video is gonna be about best cheap 350Z exhaust that you can get. Yeah guys, I'm just gonna show you what I have done to my car, my exhaust, because I know mine is like the cheapest exhaust you could probably get for a 350Z. So yeah, but first I gotta wash my car. I'm at the car wash. Gotta wash my car. My car's really dirty. I haven't washed it for like a cool two and a half weeks. So yeah, my car desperately needs I can't even talk. Oh my god. My car desperately needs a wash. So let's get to it.
We get sap on the truck.
Oh, it's coming off. Guys, all done here. It's freaking freezing, guys. My hands are so cold. But yeah, just finished washing the Z. A 350Z just passed by here. It was a Nismo 350Z gray one. I don't know who he was, but he revved at it, and yeah, shout out to him. Anyways, don't have any towels. I normally have some in my trunk, but I took all of them out, so I'm just gonna air dry it and just drive it like this. So yeah. Alright guys, so it's now the next day, and after the last clip you guys saw of me spinning, I just went home and I was like, you know what, I'm tired, I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow. So here I am in my room, about to go to my car, about to go to the store, and just knock out this video for you guys, you know. I washed this thing last night, didn't really do a good job, but it'll do. A little cold start action. So, title of this video, best sounding exhaust for 350Z, or cheapest exhaust for 350Z. Literally guys, all I have for my exhaust is, so I have stock headers, right? Stock headers, OEMs, the ones that they come with. And then, coming on down, I have, instead of my catalytic converters, I switched them out to test pipes. If you guys don't know what test pipes are, they're literally just a replacement for the cats. It's literally just a piping, and that's it. The brand that I have is Megan Racing test pipes. They're really good quality. I like it. They're kind of cheap, maybe like, I want to say 150 bucks for your 250Z. You could get them brand new, 150. Not too bad. So yeah, and then after that, it's literally just piping straight through. That's it. No resonator, no muffler, stock 2.5 inch piping straight through. And that's pretty much my exhaust, guys. Everybody is always asking what exhaust I have, what setup, and yeah, making this video for you guys because you guys are still commenting what my exhaust is. So yeah. obnoxious. So one thing I do want to say about this car, although it's loud, it draws a lot of attention. Like the cops are up there already. Yeah, it's a good thing I'm turning. They pulled somebody over up there. But anyways, one thing that I do want to say, guys, this car is loud. It is draws a lot of attention, and I do got to be careful going around town because but obviously you guys know I'm tuned above 3200 RPMs, 3200. The popcorn map, the crackle map, whatever you guys want to say, it activates after that. So if I'm like at 4,000 and I'm decelling and I tap the gas just a little bit, which is a habit, it starts like backfiring like crazy, and it's really loud. Oh, another 350Z DE too, sick ass fool. Hey. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I think I'm about to start another video right now. I have another video idea in mind that I want to kind of like make, and I have like a whole bunch of video ideas, guys. I don't know if I'm just too shy to film them, or if I don't know, something like, I don't know, like I want to film a lot. It's just that I don't know, I get lazy or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like button, share this post with your friends and family, and help me get to 1,000, because we all a team here. Anyways, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.